Good morning, everyone. I am Rochelle Swan from BS Ed 2B, a student from CNUM that will present a speech about the students is more than just a grade, but we are the architectures of learning. To be a student is often defined by a set of numbers, a GPA, a set of number, or a graduation year. We're frequently measured by our output, the papers we turn in, the exams we pass, and the certificates we collect. But if we look closer, being a student is not a destination. It is a state of mind. It is the courageous of act admitting that we do not know everything, paired with the relentless pursuit of finding out a way anyway. In reality, let's be honest, the journey is rarely a smooth one. There are late nights where the coffee runs cold and the screen stays blank. There are moments that deep frustrations when the concept feels like a wall we cannot climb. In those moments, it is easy to feel the struggle is a sign of failure. But I am here to tell you that the struggle is the architecture of learning. You are not just getting through a curriculum. You are binding a mental and emotional muscles that carry you through the rest of your life. Every difficult lectures, every challenging assignments, a brick is in the foundation in your characters, your self-character. So, the world beyond the classroom, however, is a true value of a student. Isn't just found within the four walls of the classroom. The world today, is louder and more complex than ever. It demands more than just people who can memorize facts. It demands people who can think critically, who can emphasize deeply, and who can communicate across boundaries. Your education is a tool, not just for your own career, but for the community for you to live in. Whether you are studying the nuances of literature, the complexities of science, or the structures of society, you are gaining the ability to contribute something unique to the global conversation. So, if we look directly at the students, to my fellow students, do not let your ambition be limited by transcript. Be curious. Be disruptive of your pursuit to truth. And most importantly, remember that your worth is not tied to a single core, but to the persistence you show every time you choose to try again. The future is not something happens to you. It is something you are currently writing. Make it is a story worth reading. Thank you.